Pas and Rajnigandha pearls. As we hear these words, we are reminded of the sensorial experience of flavors, fragrances and freshness. Since inception, Pas and Rajnigandha pearls have not just transformed the way India consumes oral gratifiers. In fact, they have become part of our daily lives due to their delectable blend of ingredients and flavors. Recently, one more offering in the mouth freshener category has made its way to our hearts. Tulsi Royal Khajur, which has the goodness and benefits of khajur combined with irresistible harmony of silver leaves. All these amazing brands come under confectionery portfolio of DS Group. Come, let's dive into the world of Pas, Rajnigandha pearls and Tulsi Royal Khajur to understand what goes into the manufacturing, packaging and onward dispatch of our loved fun products. But do you know where this magic happens? This happens at the state-of-the-art production facility of the DS Group in Greater Noida, which is registered with FSSAI and has been certified as ISO 9001-2015, FSMS 22000 to ensure best in terms of quality, safety and production. The fact that this manufacturing facility has got certifications from Indian and international bodies reflects a zero-compromise policy with quality. All the manufacturing facilities are designed as per high standards of food safety, and these locations are selected basis the right environment for manufacturing, where the process is controlled, which enables the conglomerate to deliver amazing products like Pas, Rajnigandha pearls and Tulsi Royal Khajur. Total production area at this facility is more than 1 million square feet, which means we can construct nearly 4 cricket fields of the size of the Melbourne cricket ground in this area. To maintain the gold standards of production at DS Group, the workforce follows PPA process, that is, personal protection accessories, ensuring hygiene and cleanliness at the production facility. To create mesmerizing taste full of freshness and flavors in Rajnigandha pearls, Pas and Tulsi Royal Khajur, finest quality raw materials like sauf, mishri, khajur, silver leaves are sourced from different parts of the world. DS Group's commitment to quality can be assessed by the fact that only the best ingredients enter this facility. Therefore, even before the raw material is accepted and transferred to the warehouse for storage, stringent quality checks are being performed by taking samples from the raw material by qualified professionals from QA lab at the manufacturing facility. It is only after successfully passing through the stringent checking of QA lab, this raw material is accepted, after which it is stored in a clean, hygienic and climate-controlled warehouse. Warehouse section at this facility has a capacity of storing 300 metric tons of raw materials separately at predefined areas to avoid contaminations. This raw material is continuously supplied to the production lines as and when required through automated conveyor belts. Production process begins in the sorting area. Here, approved raw material is sorted by the help of countless skilled hands and automated sieving machines, where everyday tons of raw material is sorted separately for Pas, Rajnigandha pearls and Tulsi Royal Khajur. After the sorting process is complete, the carefully chosen raw material for Pas moves towards the next step, which is blending the ingredients like sauf, elaichi, mishri, khajur and others. This is done with the help of various types of mixers. A close eye is maintained to ensure smooth and perfect taste. Once the ingredients are mixed at a predefined ratio to create the desired taste and aroma, the blended material is carefully transferred to undergo the next process, which is drying. In this process, the moisture is removed to ensure taste retention and the perfect blend of choicest materials. This process is done with the help of fluidized bed dryer, which are located in the drying room. Now, the perfectly dried pass material is ready to move towards packaging process through hoppers, while the silver pearls and Tulsi Royal Khajur Plus move towards the next step, where the silver coating is done through the coating pan machines. The amazing taste of Rajnigandha pearls and Tulsi Royal Khajur Plus is curated at the coating stage, where dried elaichi seeds and khajurs are mixed with a unique blend of silver leaves, exotic herbs and spices in the coating pan machines. To create these delights of flavor and freshness, different coating pan machines are used to do the silver coating over Rajnigandha pearls and Tulsi Royal Khajur Plus, keeping the different rotations at different speeds. Approximately 9,000 kgs of 99.999% pure silver is used to coat Rajnigandha pearls and Tulsi Royal Khajur in a year. With that amount of silver, we can coat Qutub Minar almost 45 times. Now, our most loved oral gratifying